1,000 years before Columbus, they were pyramid builders, warriors, the architects of an empire in South America. The Tiwanaku lived in the valley of Lake Titicaca for 1,500 years, and then their civilization vanished, leaving behind only stone ruins and the enduring mystery of their passing. The centerpiece of Tiwanaku's spiritual power was the Akapana pyramid. Surrounding the pyramid, cities and temples, was a vast maze of channels and ridges. Though they look like irrigation ditches, they were far too complex. The mystery of their purpose is one that archaeologist Alan Collada had been struggling to solve. Collada had a hunch, and to prove it, he asked a local farmer to plant crops along the channel banks. Then the archaeologists and the farmers let in the water. Crops sprouted and began to grow. But then a tremendous frost hit the Altiplano. It devastated other fields, but the crops planted along the canals were not affected.
The key to the sophistication of this raised field system are really these canals that you see here all around me. What's important about them is they function like gigantic solar collectors. If you touch this water, you'll see that it's warm enough to bathe in. It's truly remarkable. And here we're up at 14,000 feet. And that's really the key to this system. It really prevents frost from damaging the crops that would be growing up on these field platform surfaces here.
The mystery was solved. The Tiwanaku had found a way to control the environment of the valley itself. Their canals stored heat during the day, then radiated it over the fields at night. This remarkable system provided the wealth to build an empire and to keep it for over a millennium. But then, amid growing political turmoil, the empire began to decline. For the Tiwanaku, it was the end. But for the local farmers, it is a new beginning. Secure from the frost, the raised fields proved to be 7 times more productive, providing hope for a better harvest and pride for their ancestors' wisdom that has returned from the past.